Today, let us discuss the future of jobs and how artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the workforce. Imagine a world where robots and computers can do things that humans usually do, like driving cars or helping customers. Sounds like a science fiction movie, right? Well, this is the world we're living in and heading further towards with the development of AI, or artificial intelligence. AI is a technology that allows machines to be trained to perform tasks that previously required people, and in the near future learn from experience using data, exhibiting intelligence. In this video, we'll explore how AI is likely to change the kinds of jobs people do in the future and what it means for us all. Before we dive into how AI could replace certain jobs, let's first understand what AI actually is. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can think and learn like humans. These smart technologies can recognize patterns, understand speech, make decisions, and even play games better than us. Examples you might be familiar with are virtual assistants like Apple's Siri or Amazon's Alexa. Let's discuss the jobs that AI might replace in the near future. Manufacturing and assembly line workers are at risk. AI machines, like robots, are excellent at doing repetitive tasks without getting tired. Factories are increasingly using robots to assemble products, which could mean fewer jobs for human workers on the assembly line. Drivers and delivery services are also at risk. Self-driving cars and trucks are becoming a reality. Let's not forget that delivery drones are already taking flight. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are working on vehicles that can drive themselves, which could change the future for truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery services. Customer service representatives are also at risk. Have you ever chatted with an online assistant while shopping on the internet? Many of these are actually AI chatbots. They can quickly answer questions and solve problems, potentially reducing the need for human customer service representatives. Retail workers are also at risk. In retail, AI-powered kiosks and self-checkout machines could reduce the need for cashiers. Companies like Amazon are experimenting with stores where you can shop without any human assistance. Data entry and routine office. Jobs are also at risk. AI can sort through data faster and more accurately than humans. This ability means jobs like data entry or routine paperwork might be done by AI programs in the future. Now, let's discuss the jobs that AI will change, not replace. AI won't just remove jobs, it will change the way we do them. Doctors and healthcare workers. While AI can help diagnose diseases more quickly by analyzing medical images, it will not replace doctors. Doctors will still be needed to provide personal care and make final decisions. Teachers. AI can assist teachers by grading tests or offering personalized learning programs. However, it can't replace the personal interaction and inspiration a human teacher provides. Writers and artists. AI can help create music, art, and even write articles. However, the creativity and emotional depth that human artists bring can't be fully mimicked by machines. What about the human touch? Despite all these changes, there are many jobs where humans will always be needed. Jobs that require empathy, creativity, and complex problem-solving are hard for AI to replicate. For instance, psychologists, social workers, and creative directors rely on human interaction and emotional intelligence, skills that AI cannot match. AI is an exciting technology that will bring many changes to the way we work. While it's true that AI might replace certain jobs, it will also create new opportunities and make other jobs easier. As future workers, it's important for you to learn new skills that complement AI technology. This might mean focusing on creativity, critical thinking, and people skills. By doing this, you can be prepared for whatever the future of work holds. Ask yourself how you are currently using AI in your job and how you can leverage it more in the future. Also, think of what skills you plan to grow to be future-proof. I would really love your feedback in the comments so we can all learn.